Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in today. What we're going to be going over today is we have a Samsung top-load washing machine. And I've been getting some questions in the comments and things like that about how we actually take the top door off, the door that opens and closes just like this. So they've got them kind of hidden on here, so I kind of want to show you exactly where those screws are hidden at. So what we do is we come over here and you're going to have a little sticker on the side. Behind this sticker, if we take that sticker off of there, there's going to be two Phillips head screws. Now you take this little piece and we kind of put it over here to the side so we know where it's at. But you take out the two on this side right here, and then we come over and we'll take the sticker off there, and we'll take the two screws off of that one. Okay, so we've got the sticker and the screws out on this side. Come over here, we've also got the sticker and the screw taken off on this side. So now what we simply do, I'm going to try to set you down, is we grab the door on both sides. So both sides over here, all right, we're going to grab and we're just going to simply lift straight up. So we've lifted it straight up and now we've got it off of the washing machine. So now you're going to have these little pieces that are right here. Don't worry, they come out, and then they go right back in there. Same thing on this side over here. They come right out and go back in. Sometimes we can't get in there and clean all this junk out of there, and I know that drives me nuts. So, but that's how we take that door off. And now I'll show you how we put it right back on. Okay, so we've got our door right on those pieces, and all you have to do is just follow the groove, set it right back down into place, and now our door is reattached. We'll simply come back over here. We'll put our two screws in on this side, come to this side, put your two screws in over here, and then what you'll do is you'll take this little sticker that we took off before, you put that right back over, and you're good to go. And that's how you take the door off a Samsung top-load washing machine.